Garla is a revenue mandal in Khammam district of Andhra Pradesh, India. It is a hilly region covered with thick forests where all tribes like Koyas, Kondareddis and Lambadis live. The tribes are simple, unpolluted and good at heart. Economically and socially discriminated scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, most vulnerable in the society. The tribal villages are located much interior to the main village or at the foot of the hill. One has to cross one or two perennial streams at least to reach one or the other village amidst the thick forest. These people are not exposed to the civilized world or to the emerging socio-economic advancement in any field. Bala Bhavan is a home for the tribal orphans and the destitute children. Any human baby is a gift of God. The abandoned and thrown away infants are picked up, taken care and brought up. Aiming for a better tomorrow, a MSFS priest, Father Joseph Kavangal, took up the challenging task of educating these tribal children and started the Bala Bhavan orphanage in 1998. There are 89 children in this orphanage. Father Joseph managed to club all his activities together, forming a registered society called the Garla Francilian Society. A school was opened on the 18th of December 1998 at Ramagundala at the request of the Panchayat administration. There were 29 students. On the 20th of March 1999, he started a non-residential bridge camp with 59 child laborers. Children of the age 7 to 15 years were working in the fields, grazing the livestock such as pigs, goats and buffaloes. Many were kept as bonded laborers by the rich. With the help of the Panchayat administration, Father Joseph released these children from the clutches of the landlords and took up the responsibility of educating them. Father Joseph appointed a coordinator and 5 activists to go house to house, village to village, making survey and releasing child laborers. In 2003, a building was constructed and the residential bridge camp started with 53 girl child laborers. Number of staff was increased to 15. So far, 320 child laborers are educated through this project and regularized them. 436 school dropouts were motivated and helped to rejoin the school. During the summer vacation, the college and high school students are sent back to their own villages to teach the parents, women, and small children to read and write. Likewise, many illiterate become literate every year in these villages. The malnutritioned tribal infants are helped with nutritious food and the mothers are given rice. The Care Center for the Aged looks after all needs of the aged, destitute, and senior citizens. All those above 65 years are taken care and fed freely. They are given 2 meals a day, clothes, medical facilities, and some stationery. The Francilian Integrated Tribal Development Society envisages to set up a dispensary with doctor and a nurse to ensure health for all tribes. Home for semi-orphans and the neglected children. Vocational Training Center for youth. Resting place for the senior citizens. A demonstration farm to promote agriculture.
నా పేరు ఎస్ నరేష్ బాబు. నేను 8వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను కొయ్యగూడెంలో జన్మించాను. మా అమ్మ పేరు విజయ, మా నాన్న పేరు శ్రీనివాస్. నేను జన్మించినప్పుడు మా నాన్నకి పిడిసి వచ్చింది. మా అమ్మ చంపివేసింది. కొన్నాళ్లకు మా అమ్మ మందు త్రాగి చనిపోయింది. నేను మా తాతయ్య, మా బాబాయ్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర పెరిగాను. ఇప్పుడు మా బాబాయ్కి నేను నచ్చక అడవిలో పడేశారు. ఉదయం నా కేక వినబడి అక్కడ దొడ్డిపోయే వాళ్ళు నన్ను చూసి మా తాతకు అప్పచెప్పారు. కొన్నాళ్ళకు మా బాబాయ్ నన్ను చంపేస్తానని మా తాతకు చెప్పారు. మా తాత శాస్త్రం చెప్పేవాడు. వచ్చిన డబ్బుతో నన్ను సాదేవాడు. కొన్నాళ్లకు మా తాతకు కంటి చూపు పోయింది. ఆర్ఫనేజ్లో చేర్పించారు. 3 ఏళ్ల నుంచి ఇక్కడనే చదువుతున్నాను. ఇక్కడ నాకు చాలా మంచిగానే ఉన్నది. అన్ని ఖర్చులు ఫాదర్ భరిస్తున్నారు.
నా పేరు పరస శ్రీను. నేను 5వ క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నాను. మా అమ్మ పేరు కొమరమ్మ, మా నాన్న పేరు కొమరయ్య. నా ఊరు తంగినపల్లి. మా అమ్మ నాన్నకి ఏడ్సు రోగం వచ్చి చనిపోయారు. మా తాత నన్ను పట్టించుకునేవాడు. ప్రైవేట్ హాస్టళ్లలో చేర్పించారు. అయితే నాకు పుచ్చిన అవన్నీ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు. సార్తో చెప్తే పక్క హోటల్లో అడుక్కొని తినరని చెప్పేవారు. ఇది మా తాతకు చెప్పాను. రాజంకులు ఫాదర్ దగ్గర బాలబొన్న ఆర్ఫనేజ్లో చేర్పించారు. ఫాదర్ నాకు కావాల్సిన సౌకర్యాలు అన్నీ ఇస్తున్నారు. నాకు మొన్న టీపీ జబ్బు వచ్చింది. మా ఫాదర్ నాకు మొన్న హాస్పిటల్కి తీసుకెళ్ళి అన్ని మంచి ఖర్చులు పెట్టి నన్ను మంచిగా సాధారు. నాకు మంచి గుడ్లు, మంచి చికెన్ కావాల్సిన అన్నీ ఇస్తున్నారు. కాబట్టి నాకు మా ఫాదర్ ఇష్టం.
Dear friends, I thank you for patiently witnessing some of my activities. Before you disperse, I would like to say a few words. Garla is a tribal area, part of Bhadrachalam Reserve Forest. In this dense forest live the tribals, namely Koyas, Kondareddis and Lambadi. I was appointed in this parish as parish priest of Infants Jesus Church, Garla, in 1998, covering 11 substations within the distance of 30 kilometers. I have mostly tribal Catholics, mainly depending upon agriculture and forest products. Initially, I started a boarding for economically poor children. After repeated visits to the substation and villages, the major problem I found that there are more orphan and abandoned children. As the system of polygamy is highly prevailing in this area, the number of widows and orphans are more. Therefore, I converted this boarding into the Balabhavan orphanage. When these widows are married again, the new husbands do not accept the earlier children. Therefore, the future of these children are left at the crossroads. Now, I took up the responsibility of collecting such orphans and abandoned children, educating them. I have 89 such inmates at a Balabhavan orphanage. I am happy to say 22 of them are studying in various colleges, pursuing their graduation and other professional training. 5 of them joined seminaries in order to become priests. I have a moral responsibility not only in educating these children but also in settling their life. As an individual, will I be able to carry this burden all alone?